Big news for Power BI users. Are you using Report Copilot in Power BI? Microsoft has just enhanced the experience, making it easier than ever to create, edit, and refine stunning data-rich reports with the help of AI. Here's what's new. Why use it? Report Copilot can now generate entire report pages in seconds, giving you greater control, flexibility, and visual intelligence to tell your data story effortlessly. What's improved? Enjoy smarter visual recommendations, an expanded visual library, and improved context awareness, helping you create more accurate, insightful, and visually engaging reports faster than ever. Enhance your reports effortlessly. Easily add, modify, or remove visuals within your existing reports to refine how insights are displayed. With full undo and redo support, you can confidently explore and perfect every layout. How to access. Open a report in the Power BI service, click Edit, and then select the Copilot button in the ribbon to start creating, refining, or transforming your visuals. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.